Hello and welcome again. So it's my pleasure to come here again and tell you about Foxconn Group, particularly Sokal Technology Corporation. So I'm currently the Southeast Asia Business Development Head for Sokal Technology, and this is a 100% Foxconn subsidiary company. So basically, as you can see here, sorry since I don't have a presentation, I would just quickly let you know what we are doing, and there might be some opportunities which I can help you out in. So I would be, here to help you. So as you can see, Sokal Technology is a 20-year-old company from Foxconn, and we are the semiconductor division. Very less people know that Foxconn also has a semiconductor division, and we have full-fledged ecosystem when semiconductor is concerned. So you can see we have two types of business. One is the IC channel, and the second one is the IC design, ODM. So we have requirements for various engineers for semiconductor, and also for sales and marketing, which we will be expanding in the future. And now we are requiring some people who can do IT for the one India is good at. So basically we have two openings for IT, and but the only requisite is that you should have a diploma, of course, in engineering or computer science plus Chinese. So so I would like to encourage whoever is good at Chinese, please, or even basic Chinese, please approach us. You can approach me for these opportunities. And since Foxconn is a big group, and there are many other opportunities, and as we try to expand in India for various factories, as for Apple and all those brands, for that I would like to suggest Foxconn has a very sophisticated online application system. It's called Foxconn Carriers. I would like to show on my phone. Just give me a second. Yeah. So you can see here, we have, called Foxconn Carriers, and you can see the Join Us, and also you can see the online application. So basically what you have to do is you just search on Google Foxconn Carriers, and you will get a sophisticated website where you can put your resume, all in English by the way, and you can search for jobs which are available globally, not only in Taiwan. So you can select if you want to stay in Taiwan, or you want to stay in US or India or wherever. And of course it will directly go to the HR, since we have a centralized system. Even for Sokal Tech, you can go on 104 and you can see the jobs which are available, and it's really checked by the HR, because I also followed the same process. So it really works. Okay, in case you have some problem, you can always get in touch with me. And there are a few opportunities at present, like I said, in IT. So if you are good in computers, managing the entire MIS, it would give a brief experience working in Taiwan also, if you are undergraduate or master. So you can also get in touch with me. And of course, because the entire company not so much fluent in English, and the entire work is done in Chinese, so little bit even communication will work. So if anybody is interested, please let us know, and hope you can find some jobs here today. Thank you so much.